Now Hillary Clinton.
Mr. Trump, I invited you here to thank us for what we've done in Flint,
Okay.
not
Okay.
to give a political speech.
Okay, that's good. And I'm going to go back onto Flint. Okay.
When she got up to introduce me, she was so nervous. She was shaking, and I said, wow, this is sort of strange. And then she came up. So she had that in mind. There's no question about it.
Now Hillary Clinton.
Mr. Trump, I invited you here to thank us for what we've done in Flint,
Okay.
not
Okay.
to give a political speech.
Okay, that's good. And I'm going to go back onto Flint. Okay. Okay.
Does it bother you? You
No,
seemed
it
like it
doesn't
didn't.
bother me. No, I mean, everyone plays their games. It doesn't bother me. I'll tell you what really made me feel good. The audience was saying, let him speak, let him speak.
Right.
And the audience was so great. And these are mostly African-American people, phenomenal people, and they want to see change.
And the damage can be taken care of. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Pastor.